Trending News JA. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.
If she no buying a PS5, she no love her. Me I tell her straight.
2 hours later.
Boy, people, so it look like Jayden and Fabbi back at it again. Boy, I don't know what I'm to the two of them here. The people them say Jayden and Fabbi relationship come like bar work. It's a week on and week off type of vibe. People them literally just celebrate them 3 months anniversary and them a beat down on them one another already. Like we don't do business in other man and woman thing, cause you know how it go. Man and woman are gonna make up back at the end of the day, pillow talk and all these things. But you see when it start get violent, that's how we draw the line, cause we're not gonna support domestic violence. You understand what I say? Whether a man a beat down on a woman or a woman a beat down on a man. We don't really like what go on. Fabbi and Jayden you can't do better, I'm not lie. The longest 3 months this me ever see in my life. That 3 months I come like a 3-year relationship. But based on what me I try summarize, Jayden I say him rent a little place, and pay up 9 months rent, and it just come like him alone I do everything. Like Fabbi just pull fear or weight, and it just come like him alone I do everything, and them supposed to be a union, them supposed to be a team. Tune into the video, make we not hear Fabbi side of the story yet, but tune into the video, make we hear what Jayden have to say now.
And then today me plan to buy up everything for the house, bro, so I can go move in at the house, bro. You see it? Somebody left on the phone and say, really and truly, Fabbi, you have to help Jayden, you see it? I'm say, okay, no problem. So okay, no problem. You see it? She there in the car, she said she not pay for nothing. She not paying for nothing. She don't have no money. I say, okay, cool. You don't have no money, no problem. Me deal with this, deal with myself. Come out of the car. You see, I say, come out of the car. I say, come out of the car, bro. She come out of the car. She come back to me and say, yo, I want my PS5. I want my PS5 when I buy. So I say, hold on, you know give me PS5 as a gift. And I try drive way. You saw me I try drive, bro. The girl a push herself. She a push herself in the car, bro. You see it? And me a push her out. Me a push out the girl. Me a say, yo, bro, you buy the thing for me, bro. Why you want to go take it back, bro? Me ever gain up and take it back, bro. You see it? And me there so. She there at the door. She a cuss. She a tell about mother. Go look for my mother. And one bag of thing, bro. You see it? So, me take up the PS5 and no, she did a lie. She did come out of the car with her things. Yeah, she did come out of the car with her things, bro. You see it? She did come out of the car with her things, bro. And she realized the PS5 in the car, bro. So she come to the car, bro, and I say, I want my PS5. And I say, no, bro. Oh, you for buy me the thing, bro. I want to take it back, cause we have a little argument, bro. You see it? Bro. Bro. Me are the last man you're supposed to do so youth. After all I want to do, bro, out of my genuine heart, bro. If me say I want back everything from you, bro, you not have nothing in your life, bro. I know me say I want back everything. I say I want back everything when me feel away, bro. If me feel away, bro, I say I want back them 10 weeks them I buy you, bro. I want back them thick, bro. Me not tanto, bro. Me not so petty, bro. You see it? When me angry there and them thing there, bro, me left the house and them thing there, bro. Anytime I upset, bro, me left the house, bro. Every time I upset, bro, me left the house, bro. You see it? This a girl that there the car, bro. This a girl that there the car. He said, no, you're not get the PS5. This a girl that said, alright. This a girl that start fling thump. This a girl that start fling thump on me. And I saw me sit down, you know. So me sit down, bro. This a girl that start fling thump. And start fling. And start crying on my face, bro. See, crying on my face, bro. The car in my face, bro. My neck bruised up, bro. Everything bruised up, bro. Defend me, I defend myself, bro. Defend me, I defend myself, dog. So when she there, so bro, she over me, bro. She a fling fist in my face, bro. You see it? I'm here try hold on, I'm a jog also, bro. In the car, bro. Me jog also, bro. And cry to her yard, bro. Cause she da grab off of my eye. You see, she sink her hand so in my yard, bro. You see, and I tried. Like a drag so and drag out me here, bro. It come like a my enemy me a deed, bro. You see it? He come like I'm an enemy me a deep, bro. You see it? My yard. Don't, bro. This a girl that come on the internet, bro, and a post your eye and thing, bro. Do not believe that, bro. Do not believe nothing what she a do, bro. You see it? Do not believe her, bro. Do not. Lie you tell pa me, bro. As thing go on, so you run on the internet. You run on the internet, say, alright, me I go bring down Jayden with this, you know. Jayden have to cook, bro. I don't blame them alone want to take me down, youth. You want to take me down, if you say I'm a woman, bro.